You got put cup. You see that? Put it all over his face. Pretty good, huh, Tank?
That's great.
Starbucks. Only at Starbucks, Dutch Brothers ain't doing all that. What stock would you invest in, Tank? Starbucks.
I told you you were gonna be dripping that shit all over the truck.
I'm holding my hand.
It's dripping on the seat.
Okay. Take that up again. Thanks, Tank. You had your first puppy, copy. You had your puppy.